Wow, that thing is beautiful. Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. You guys got to check out what I just got a chance to drive. Something a little bit different than a Fox body, but something you might be interested in. Stick around, let's get into it. So if I haven't already piqued your interest, my white F-350 is in for some maintenance. So I went to the dealership today and instead of having to actually wait for the actual maintenance of the vehicle, because there was a couple recalls on it, they decided to allow me to drive a brand new Ford Bronco. What? Now, I've never really been a big fan of the Bronco series, even the older ones for that matter, but when I had the opportunity to get into the Wildtrak, I guess this is the Sasquatch edition or something, I don't know. It's the 2.7 EcoBoost turbo truck. And I'm very happy to, have taken it for a ride. So much that I wanted to actually bring it to you. Now, this isn't the type of videos that I normally bring to you guys because I'm a Fox body only channel. But I shout out to Foxcast Media and Caleb. He gave me the idea. He said, you know what? That's the type of truck that you probably should do a little bit of video on, because it's definitely not just a normal truck. So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to go ahead and jump in it. I will go over the interior a little bit and maybe give you just a brief overview and like a true reaction video of what I think about this truck. So stick around. Let's get into it. All right, so you got your normal interior. I mean, you got this leather. It's kind of the leather interior. It's got the, this vehicle is pretty decked out. Let me go show you the sticker real quick, because the sticker has a lot of the options or whatever, but it's tinted, so you might not be able to see it all that well. Check this out. Open the door. Window goes up. Down. Up. That's a lot of relays that are going to go bad here in about 20 years. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So anyways, it's going to be hard for me to actually show you this sticker without showing my reflection too much here, but I'm not going to rip it off. Anyways, it's got a, this is the Wildtrak version, the 10-speed auto, the 2.7 turbo EcoBoost. It's got a lot of the extra options or whatever, but the sticker price on the thing is about 59 grand. It's a pretty nice truck. Let's check out the back. Now this is apparently, I guess, what they mean by Sasquatch version. I mean, it's got all this extra shit. I mean, apparently, was this like a grill or something, bros? LOL. We got going on here, bro. Anyway, you got some packaging in here. I am completely Bronco stupid, so I will definitely tell you that I don't even know what this is. So I'm assuming maybe it's a car cover. Oh, kit bag or something. I don't know. One of my friends was telling me that they have like a tent for this thing. Oh, look at this plexiglass, fellas. Come on. Anybody who's driven a convertible knows what this will look like in about 20 years. All dingy yellowed and cracking and holes and shit. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You own a Fox body convertible, you know what that means. There's another kit bag. I'm assuming that, I don't know, some sort of cover. Got a key lock. I mean, there's all kind of cool stuff up in here. Look at this thing. Crazy. A lot of room though. What is roof pin storage? Oh, I guess it is unlocked. So just a bunch of extra storage here. Pretty cool. Definitely for your outdoor enthusiast type truck setup. So we'll go ahead and put some of this stuff back away. Yeah, I'm definitely pretty impressed with this thing. Carries the big 315 7017. That's a big tire, actually. Let's start the engine, see what it looks like, and then we'll go for a ride. I finally got it fixed. Big old black diesel got hit like twice. Don't mind a little oil leak. Shit happens. Let's get this thing started, and then I'll pop the hood. Nice and quiet. Definitely super quiet car. Check out underneath, bros. Like skid plates and stuff. At least it's steel and not plastic, yo. Yeah, it's got its own handle for other like passengers and stuff like to hang on. It's crazy. Cool. Again, guys, I don't normally do like reaction videos or of other things other than Fox bodies, but you know, Broncos were still pretty cool. I was never a big fan of them, but they were definitely real cool back in the day where the tops came off and everything. And obviously I'm not going to take the top off, but you can see like it's got that roll bar back here. I think that's cool. Got some speakers like a Jeep. It's got all this room. This thing would probably be a damn blast to drive. Why don't we just go for a drive right now? Let's go. All right, this is definitely cool. It's got a lot of room in there. Everything's heated, even the steering wheel. It's crazy. It's got two-wheel here. I mean, it's pretty much a basic truck, to be honest with you. But we're gonna take it for a ride, see how it drives. No bullshit. Give you my reaction. Let me take you around the truck here. You know, you got your auxiliary lights just like my truck does. You know, hi. This is obviously for the top. You guys got to really check this out. Watch me go in reverse here. Dude, there's some like satellite shit going on here. Look at this. What in the world? Look at that. Isn't that crazy? It's like a satellite or something. It's like an imagery. How are they even getting that camera? Now, that's definitely pretty cool. Anyways, let's take it for a ride and then we'll get done with the video. Again, this is the new 2021 WildTrak Ford Bronco. The Sasquatch version, whatever. So basically, kind of like your like camping enthusiasts or what have you. All right, sorry about that. I had to pull over to make sure that the camera wasn't shaking too much. But like I said, you can definitely tell a little bit of a rough ride to the Bronco, which it doesn't really bother me any. But this is definitely something for a camping enthusiast. Or some off-road, maybe some just recreational enthusiasts that like that sort of vehicles, the Jeeps and the Broncos, etc. So we're going to want to take it down the road to see how it feels at 60 miles an hour. You can definitely tell the tires are big. Should have brought my draggy. She got a little get up. That's for sure. Brakes don't like to stop very well, but we'll take it out here, get it up, hammer down on it, and then take it back home. I definitely like it though. Not bad. We're about 100 mile an hour right now. Not bad. I mean, it's not fast, but I mean, it's not slow. That's for sure. So, I definitely dig the whole intrigue, taking the top off. And to be honest with you guys, if I was in the summer, man, I would have this top off all the time, every day, whatever. And just like that, there's a Mustang in front of me. It's got a good turning radius, not terrible. Let's give it a hammer one time. Not bad for a truck. So we'll go over here, pull over in the parking lot. I'll tell you what I think. And, for the sticker price and the package, whatever. Alright guys, so I'm no big Bronco off-road enthusiast, so I don't really know, a whole lot of the genre around it. But, coming from the Mustang world, I like to come over, or I like to get a chance to try other things, like my big diesel. I never really actually did a video on my big diesel and how I feel about that. But maybe, you know, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you comment below and tell me what you think of the reaction videos. I'm a Mustang channel, but this is kind of one of those odd scenarios. Like, man, I almost have to video this. You know what I mean? So, all right, YouTube, that's all I got for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got a chance to actually review the Wildtrak Sasquatch Ford Bronco. Got to drive it, got to take it out on the road, went up to 100 miles an hour. Don't tell the dealer that. If I had a vehicle that I could have recreationally, I definitely, instead of having like a convertible, I'd have a removable top Bronco. I think that would be a great thing to have. So if you guys enjoy this sort of content, comment, tell me below what you think. Tell me what you think about the Bronco. I mean, it's a Fox Body channel, but guys, I had to take a video of this. I mean, it's a $60,000 vehicle that I got as a loaner while my diesel got fixed. So had the opportunity to do it. If you guys enjoy the channel, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe below. Make sure you stick around. Check out that join button below. It has perks for the channel memberships. Check that out. Tell me what you guys think. Got that merch sub below. Outside of that, guys, I just appreciate the watch time. I'm gonna go take this thing for another spin, and yeah, might take it back someday.